everyone, it's me Gloria. Welcome to another relaxing self-care video. I try to do this pamper routine at least once in a week and it includes full body care, hair care and post-shower skincare. It just makes me feel so good. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi, so I would like to start with my hair first, then my body and post shower skincare, and this is how my skin is looking. I just have my morning skincare on my face and this is how my hair is looking. I have not washed my hair for 5 days and it's feeling very greasy. Also there are a lot of buildup on my scalp. But before I hop into shower, I will comb and detangle my hair to prevent any unnecessary hair fall afterwards. And I'm using this very cute cloud hairbrush from Tangle Teaser. It detangles my hair nicely. Also sometimes I use it as a scalp massager. I have drenched my hair in the water really nicely. Now I will go with the first coat of shampoo. For that I'll do a detox shampoo. This one is from Bare Anatomy. It has active ingredients like salicylic, biotin, which helps to detoxify my scalp and removes all the sweat buildup, dandruff and everything and cleans my scalp thoroughly. So I always go with a detox shampoo first and then I move on with a hydrating, nourishing shampoo. For the second coat, I'm using the L'Oreal Extraordinary Nourishing Shampoo and I love using this one because it lathers up so well and it does not make my hair feel dry afterwards, yet it cleans my hair and scalp so nicely and leaves my hair feeling so soft, smooth and silky. So I love using this one. Before applying hair mask, I will remove all the excess water and towel dry my hair, and for the mask I am using the Dove 10-in-1 Deep Repair Treatment Hair Mask. This is one of my favorite hair masks. I am using it for very long and it is almost over, so I'm kinda sad. It does a pretty good job. It makes my hair feel so soft, smooth, bouncy. Also adds a very healthy shine just like any high-end hair mask but at a affordable price. To make it work better, I divide my hair into two parts and run my finger through my hair evenly. Now I will tie my hair up and let it sit on my hair and marinate for like 10 to 15 minutes. For my body, I'll be using the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This one product really excites me to take shower. I just love how it gently exfoliates my body and leaves my skin feeling super soft and smooth. Also, it has a very heavenly fragrance that lingers on my body even after 4-6 hours of taking shower. I use it 2-3 times a week and every time I use it, it just makes me feel so happy. For body wash, I'm using the Chemist at Play Exfoliating Body Wash. It lathers up so well. It has actives like lactic acid, salicylic acid and vitamin E that exfoliates, removes dead skin cells, also works on acne, and together this and the Dove body polish, they smell so good. Both has a sugary, buttery, coconut and vanilla like fragrance that will make you smell like a cupcake. I will leave the foam on my body and start shaving. I'm using the Philips Women Trimmer. I usually shave my whole body 2-3 times a month or whenever I wear something that requires trimming. I have been using this trimmer for 2 years and it is far better than regular razor. It works on battery and removes all the teeny tiny hair for me. And now it is time to wash everything off of my body. I like to wash my face after taking shower to remove all those build-up shampoo and conditioner, and I am using a very gentle calming face wash from Dot & Key. It foams up nicely, removes all the dirt and cleans my face without making it feel dry. I'm I'm out of the shower and now I will start with my post shower body care and skin care, but before that I will have my collagen drink. Whenever I take a long shower or do a pamper routine, I like to drink something fancy like green tea or collagen drink. It just makes me feel so bougie. Also, I have blow dried my hair and now I will apply a leave-on serum using the Strix hair serum. This is a regular simple hair serum that just adds shine to my hair. That's it. I don't prefer using it because there is nothing extraordinary about it. It does not makes my hair feel smooth or does not controls frizziness, so I just use it because I have it. I have exfoliated my body, so I'll be using a moisturizing body lotion, going with my all-time favorite Plum's Vanilla Caramello body lotion. Using this one because it has a similar fragrance to the body washes that I have used previously, and together as a combo they are going to smell so good, and it is not that heavy yet perfectly moisturizing enough for summer. Also, I love the smell and it leaves a healthy glow on my body. In summer, I do not skip roll-on. I'm using Carmesi Natural Deodorant Roll-on. It has a beautiful buttery coconut fragrance that I really like. Also, it is made with natural ingredients, so it is not exfoliating or harmful, and it feels comfortable on my underarms. It keeps the odor away, but only for 3-4 hours, so we have to reapply it. Coming to my new obsession, this is Kayali's Bougie Marshmallow. This is my second luxury perfume, and I think obsession will be an understatement because I am addicted to this perfume. It has notes of marshmallow, strawberry, pink musk, whipped vanilla, everything that I want in a perfume, exactly how I wanna smell, and it's just so feminine, soft and yummy. I am literally obsessed. For a change, I thought of using a sheet mask. I am more of a clay mask person, but I have this Quench Beauty sheet mask for a long time, so let's just use it. It says that it will brighten up and clear my skin and provide hydration. The reason I don't like using sheet mask is because they don't fit my face. I have a tiny face, so it is very hard to find a sheet mask that will fit properly. Now I will let it sit on my face for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll do my nail care. I'm so bored of my red nails, so I'm just quickly going to remove it and using the Zudio nail remover. I love Zudio for their nail polish and nail remover. Using the Agaro nail drill and polisher to remove the cuticles, file and shape my nail. If you're someone who is fan of doing their nails or you want salon like nail at home, you should definitely get it. Went with a really pretty royal blue nail paint. It's from Westside. It looks really pretty on my hand, but do not get it guys. It is so bad, it literally came off the next very day. Removing the sheet mask, and oh my god, the glow on my face. I'm not sure about the brightening part, but it definitely hydrated my skin deeply and the glow is insane. To double up the hydration, I am using a hyaluronic serum by Pilgrim. This is the only hyaluronic serum that I have ever used. It is so lightweight, does not feel heavy on the skin, just feels like water yet so hydrating. It gets absorbed so quickly and keeps my face hydrated for so long. We'll lock everything in using the Bioderma Atoderm cream. I recently started using this from past 1 week and it provides immense amount of moisturization. Also, it is non-comedogenic and good for sensitive skin. My skin is loving this. It helps to soothe and calm my skin and helps with all the irritation and redness. Now that I have done all of this, to feel extra bougie, I'll be using a face roller and gua sha. I'm not really a pro with gua sha, so don't judge me. It's an electric face roller, so it vibrates, which helps to go all the serums and cream deep inside my skin, so I don't really have to do much, so I use it however I like and it makes me feel happy. Lastly, for my chapped lips, I'll be using Wishcare Tinted Lip Balm. It has SPF 30 and says that it helps with lips pigmentation, but I have not used it for that long to give you a reviews on that. But it has a very pretty rosy pink tint and definitely keeps my lips hydrated and moisturized for a really long time. I'm almost done. Lastly, I'm just going to cut and shorten my curtain bangs. I do this at home only and it's pretty simple. I have learned it from internet. I take my hair in two parts and cut it in a 45-degree angle, and it gives me that layered curtain bang effect. So it always works out for me, but if you're going to do it, do your research first. And that's pretty much it. That's my everything shower pamper routine. It took me almost 2 hours to get it done, but my hair, my skin, my body feels so good. It feels so therapeutic and always makes me feel happy.